Whether you believe the hysteria surrounding the coronavirus pandemic or not, one thing is sure. The coronavirus is impacting countless households when it comes to finances. Shops, restaurants, small businesses, and just about everything else are closing their doors in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic that has left many wondering, how am I going to make money during the coronavirus? We might not have all the answers, but we decided to ask financial bloggers, work from home business owners, and everyday people what are some of the best ways to make money during the coronavirus. And here is what they had to offer. At this moment, teachers or non-teaching professionals who have computer with high-quality web camera and are expert in particular field can do online tutoring by maintaining their distance. Moreover, those who are fluent in a foreign language can take up this profession. Even a student with experience can sign up on many sites. During this pandemic, it will help to earn some extra money. Additionally, most tutoring positions require a bachelor's degree and training. For those that earn their life experience in the school of hard knocks or the boardroom instead of the classroom, traditional tutoring may not be an option. However, hope is not lost to monetize your experience online. Symposium offers the perfect solution for the work-at-home job seeker to launch a viable side gig or even a full-time career that allows anyone with experience to market and sell one-on-one or one-to-many presentation. Consultants can use the app to consult with clients virtually, or fitness professionals could use the app to offer one-on-one fitness training to those homebound. But there are so many more online tutoring websites, and here it is some of the most famous online tutoring websites. If you're not a designer or writer or programmer, the internet is a vast ocean of opportunity for diverse professions. If you have expert in any specific branch of knowledge like business proposal, planning, project management, digital marketing, you can look for freelance job in international marketplace. Here goes some resources. Companies such as Amazon often hire remote customer service representatives. Customer service is one of the most accessible fields for work-from-home jobs. If you enjoy helping others and have the patience to talk through problems, check out staffing companies such as Access Staffing and VIP Desk. To find a customer service position, you'll need to ensure that you can make the customer's time zones fit your schedule. While this is less flexible than some jobs, if you have experience in customer service, this may be a great remote job for you. If you feel that organization and communication are some of your strong points, you may find it rewarding to work as a virtual assistant. This position is essentially an office job that you perform from the comfort of your home or even travel. Typical duties include responding to emails, maintaining calendars, editing content, and managing social media. Many companies hire virtual assistants through freelancing platforms such as Upwork, FlexJobs, and Freelancer. Thank you for watching. If you like it, give this thumbs up, and if you have any question, comment down below. You can also check our website, which has been linked in the caption.